how automatic bird washing works. A step-by-step look inside the process. What actually happens when a 12-meter bus enters an automatic wash system? Most transport operators understand the concept of automation, but very few have seen the complete process from the start to finish. Today, we are taking you behind the scenes to show exactly how a modern automatic bus wash system works and why both transport companies around the world are making the switch. Imagine this: a bus finishes its route and returns to the depot after a long day of operation. Instead of waiting for a cleaning crew, the vehicle moves directly into the wash bay. From the moment it enters, the entire process is designed for speed, consistency, and efficiency. The operator simply positions the vehicle correctly, and the automatic sequence begins. Water is applied evenly across the vehicle surface, helping loosen dust and road debris accumulated throughout the day. Next comes one of the most important stages: brush cleaning. This is where modern engineering makes the real difference. The brushes are designed to follow the contour of large brushes, cleaning the front, side, rear, and upper surface with consistent pressure. Unlike manual washing, where results often depend on the individual worker, every vehicle follows the same process every single time. That means predictable cleaning quality regardless of weather conditions, shift schedules, or workload. As the cleaning cycle continues, the system maintains a controlled and repeatable workflow. No rushing, no missed error, no inconsistency between vehicles. This is one of the reasons transport operators appreciate automation so much. It removes uncertainty from the critical daily tasks and replaces with reliability. But the biggest advantage is not just the cleaning result, it's what happens around the process. While the system handles the washing operation, companies reduce dependency on large labor teams, minimize waiting time, and improve overall depot efficiency. Vehicles spend less time in the cleaning area and more time available for service. For growing fleets, this difference becomes increasingly valuable. At Go&Go, our automatic bus wash system are specifically engineered for transport companies operating buses, coaches, tourism vehicles, and commercial fleets, designed for heavy-duty daily operation and capable of handling large vehicles over 10 meters long. Our system helps create a smooth, scalable cleaning process that supports long-term growth. The most successful transport business understand that efficiency is built through systems. Every process has become faster, more consistent, and more reliable, creating value across the entire operation. Vehicle washing is no exception. If you are looking for a smarter way to clean buses, reduce operational pressure, and modernize your depot infrastructure, now is the time to explore what Go&Go can do for your business. Contact our team today and discover how automatic washing technology can help your fleet operate faster, cleaner, and more efficiently than ever before.